Hello, YouTube friends and family. How are you today? This is going to be the shortest of the shortest Aldi haul. I did do some clearance shopping this week. We have stuff as low as 49 cents in this haul. 49 cents. Yes. I'm always finding these deals at Aldi. But let's get to it. So, I saw this vinyl wrap. This is like peel and stick vinyl wrap. And it has a pretty little pattern. I guess it's the kind you can stick on shelves or walls or whatever. I think I'm going to use it for boxes. There's a little pattern on the inside. And I think I'm going to use it for boxes maybe when I do like gift baskets. I've been liking doing gift baskets and use Amazon boxes. Yes. You fold them things in, you stuff them in, and you never know it's an Amazon box depending on how you present it. And that way, you ain't got to worry about spending a whole heap of money on a vessel to put it in. Then, I'm getting expensive stuff out first. This is expensive. So that was $3.75 for that roll of paper. Then the peanut butter and jelly M&Ms. I kind of like these. So I went on and grabbed them since they were $2.46. Now I also saw that the strawberry vanilla Big Moser chocolate bar was $1.50. But I was out there in that Florida heat. I was not finna ride around with a candy bar. It would not have been good even though I needed it for something. It wouldn't have been good. So maybe I'll get closer to my house and find it and be able to go ahead and buy it cheaper. Maybe next week or later this week. We'll see. But I did grab these because M&Ms melt in your mouth, not in your hand, or hopefully not in that hot sun. They still feel intact, all separated. So they survived. And then they were $2.46 for the shareable bag. Then I saw these. This was the last bag that I could see. And it's the cheesy queso flavored chips. And it was 69 cents for the whole bag. Now these things legit do not expire to November 5th, 2025. If I would have seen more than one bag, I would have bought a few. Because this is good for back to school lunches. And get you some Ziplocs. Bring your Ziploc back so you can refill it. Okay? We ain't even got to use a bunch of Ziplocs. Bring your Ziploc back. Refill it for the next day. Or either get them reusable Ziplocs. And this could easily be 4 or 5 days worth of chips. It says 10 servings. Chaboo. 4 or 5 days worth of chips to take for school lunches. Okay? Then it's the kind of stuff I'm starting to be on the lookout for. Then I'll do the 49 cent last. So I saw this. The hot sauces are on sale, the seasonal hot sauces, and we have the peach bourbon hot sauce. It was $1.15. $1.15. So it was like half price right now. So I have that. And this is the last item. See, Aldi's didn't make it. I didn't go buck wild in Aldi's because I had already went buck wild in the Dollar Tree. Trying to exercise a little more self-control. So these were 49 cents. I probably really should have grabbed two. They were 49 cents. So be on the lookout for your summer grilling items. That pizza oven that came out at $99.99 is now $37.50. This particular store had a ton of them. Okay? So I just wanted to make y'all aware. So I hope you are subscribed, ringing that bell. I put the store walkthroughs out first. I put them out the same day I walked through the store. That video is either already out as of me talking or be out 2 o'clock tomorrow. But I put those out before I put out the hauls. So subscribe, ring the bell so you don't miss it. Because you could already be sitting there with your own haul while you watching mine. So, now what are we doing about school lunches? I need help. Because my county, we've been free lunch since COVID. I truly do not qualify for free lunch based on the standards set forth. So I don't even want to waste my time filling out no application. A lot of people will do it and lie with no conscience, but that's not me. Okay? Because God will give you that position that you lied about. I'm not going to do that. So I am trying to figure it out because that lunch is $4 and something. $4 and something. I'm like, so $4 and something. It was like $4.75 or something like that. So just say $5 a day. That's $25 a week. I need to challenge myself to come up with something else for $20 a week. That's actually food. That's actually healthy, decent food that's gonna fill him up. Cause man, I ain't seen the school lunch baby. He eats it. He been eating it for free all this time. But it's a difference when it's free and when you pay it for it. And you like, okay. We out here on the streets buying, if you're in Jacksonville, Florida, now I'm finna give you a gem here. If you are in Jacksonville, Florida, we out here on the streets buying 2 5-piece chicken wings, whole chicken wings and fries for $11 a change. 2 of them. So you think we want to spend $4.75 on a school lunch? So here's where that deal is. For now, it's been going on all summer, pretty much. We've been frequenting the place, especially the last 2 weeks, but it's been going on for at least 2-3 months. Mr. Snappers on Dunn Avenue. Buy one meal, one regular menu meal, get any other regular menu meal 90% off. Of course, you're going to pay for the most expensive one. So if you're getting the same thing, one is $8.99, one is 89 cents. Come on. 10 whole chicken wings and a big generous amount of fries for $11.90. You go to Popeyes, you paying that for a 2-piece or a 3-piece. Okay? So that's your gem for today. Now, like I say, that may blow over soon. But shoot, I'm thinking about getting that chicken by the tray. If you have an event to go through to or a funeral that you want to bring chicken for, they sell 20 pieces. They sell 40 and 50 pieces. I want to say those regular items. Shoot. Okay? So that's another tip. Now, I just don't know what. We got to get some lunch ideas other than peanut butter and jelly. And he don't like sandwiches. The boy has never really eaten sandwiches. He barely eats cereal. So it's not like, I got to figure something out. So if you could drop some lunch ideas in the comments, some budget-friendly lunch ideas up in these comments. Because he may have to take his lunch at least 3 of them days a week. Because I just can't see myself spending that kind of money on lunch. But I was even looking today in the Dollar Tree, shoot, they got a pack of garlic bologna for $1.25. But he ain't gonna eat that. Now, back in the 80s, we would have tore it up and been happy. But he ain't eating that. So, please help your girl out. I need your help to figure this thing out. Because I tried like in elementary school packing his lunches. That went by the wayside because I was working full time, driving him, driving me, all this going on, and that just did not work out for my lifestyle. And I was loading that account with $50 at a time, and it worked then, but that was when lunch was $1.30 or something like that. It wasn't $2. And I was like, okay, let him eat with the kids. But now, I don't know about all that. So, We trying to figure it out. Help us do so. And as always, next haul is that $60 Dollar Tree haul. Prep and pray and plant a seed, plant a seed, plant a seed. And don't forget to help me below in the comments, please. I need your help. All right. And I love you to life. You have a wonderful, wonderful day. Bye-bye.